Question number 36. The graph shows a variation with distance x of the square of the amplitude. Psi square versus x has been given over here. Wave function of a particle. Which graph corresponds to a particle with largest uncertainty in momentum? Largest uncertainty in momentum. You know, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle tells you delta x into delta p is equal to h cross, right? H by 2 pi, whatever it is, h by 2 pi. So therefore, when delta p is higher, then what should happen to delta x? Delta x should be lower. What do you mean by delta x being lower? Which means the possibility or probability of locating an electron through a space is very, very high, or the uncertainty is lower. So which means in a small region itself you will be able to find. Now here you see probability of locating a particle from here to here. What does it tell you? This is your Max-Born's interpretation. It tells you it's always the same. No, wrong. Now here what does it tell you? Probability of locating a particle from 0 to 0.5 or maybe 0 to 0.25 is higher, and after that it becomes lower, and it keeps on oscillating like this. No, this is also incorrect. Okay, because what does it say? It says that it's always momentum is higher, uncertainty in locating the electron is lower. Okay, so here uncertainty means what? Probability of locating an electron. Here the probability of locating an electron is psi square into dx is 0 here. Don't say x, so it's 0.5. Okay, it is 0 over here because probability cannot be greater than 1. So it is not probability, it is the location, the distance. It is something like you take a box and you mark points over here and you say this is x equal to 0, 0 0.5, 1, 1.5 and so on. This is what you are saying. Okay, now let us look at the next one here. Here it says something like 0 to 3 units is a box over here, and it says the maximum probability is seen to be at the middle over here. Maybe if I take these two regions over here, between 1 and 2 the probability is higher, but it doesn't overrule that there is no chance of locating it over here. Still the uncertainty is much larger here also. Uncertainty here is not a constant, it is also varying a lot. So you cannot talk about anything about uncertainty in the second graph. First graph uncertainty is not there, that is it's always been found. And third graph it says uncertainty is higher only at the middle region. Let us look at the last graph. So this is also incorrect. Last graph tells you that you can definitely find an electron only at a certain point level. Okay, only in this region you'll be able to definitely be able to find the electron, but rest of the regions the probability reduces. Okay, which tells if the momentum is larger in this region, if uncertainty of finding a momentum is larger in this region, then definitely uncertainty of finding or probability of finding a particle in this region is higher. So D is the right answer. If you do not understand this concept, do comment on the comment section. I will make a separate video for you guys to let you know about what is Max-Born's interpretation and how we have used this.